we wanted to encase it in a frame and something for EJ to look back and whenever he's looking for inspiration and motivation, where it all started as well. So you'll see here the words of support from his supporters. All of his supporters and audiences were just interacting with it just because they really wanted to support EJ.
Yeah, yun mismo yung actual na sinabi nila.
So like, mabuhay Filipino champions. It's time to celebrate the win of the whole country. Lakas ng Pilipinas, Pinas na sa itaas. No one can ever top the quality of Filipino sportsmanship. Nakamit muli ang ginto. You brought out the champion in every Filipino. That's right.
They're all, genuine comments.